For the following areas in Pennsylvania: Hanover, Berks, Chester, Lehigh, Allentown, Reading, Pittsburgh, Scranton, Pike, Wayne, Wyoming, Susquehanna, Philadelphia, Northampton, Douglasville, Tioga, and State College. Blizzard warning in effect from 4 p.m. Sunday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. What? Heavy snow and strong winds up to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Total snow accumulations of 22 to 32 inches. When? From 4 p.m. Sunday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. Impact snow will develop and become heavy for most of the time, and cause whiteout conditions and several power outages across the warned areas. And the strongest winds will occur throughout Sunday night into Monday afternoon. Make sure you go grocery shopping before the blizzard comes, and make sure you also have flashlights in case your power goes out. Also, traveling will be extremely difficult, so make sure you don't travel in case of an emergency.